Welcome back to another video of me recreating every single granny square from this Granny Square source book. Today's video is all about the Heartfelt Square and maybe the Kisses Square. And I'm hoping I can crochet 2 granny squares today. Something pretty exciting about these is that this one is made in the classic granny square shape, starting from the middle and working your way out, whereas this one seems to be a different technique. So something new today. Exciting! I've got my colors right here, and I'm going to use the same for both, except I'm going to reverse them. So this one is going to have a red heart with a peachy exterior, and that one is going to have a peachy X and red exterior. Yeah, I think I said that correctly. That took a lot of brain power for me. Let's get started. Where's the beginning of my... Ah, there you go. Okay, I'm noticing that chains are added at the corners only, so I have to be careful. If I had a little less experience, I probably would have added a chain everywhere by mistake, but I have so much experience, I'm not making that mistake. Just going straight into the next corner without making a chain, and then making a chain in that corner after I've done all those double crochets. So you can better see what I'm talking about. Here, right here, here, right here. Right here you have a chain, but here you don't have a chain. But here you do have a chain. So here I'm not making a chain, and I'm putting a chain like after the next bunch, if that makes sense. Ooh, that's so fun. I just love this yarn. It's so soft. I wish I had more of it. Cotton Fair. 52% cotton, 48% acrylic. Okay, so this row is going to be a little different. I'm at this point right here, those 3 chains. So I'm going to do those double crochets like that corner, and then I have to switch to yellow and then back to red, or yellow. Theirs is yellow, but mine is going to be this peachy color. I'm ready. Oh, actually I made a mistake, but it's still okay. I thought I was in the corner, but I'm actually starting here. Oh, because they slip stitch to get to the corner. I don't need to get to the corner. I can just do this one right here and then do all these. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I'm adapting. Okay, so the next one would be this peachy color. I feel like that's how I used to do it. I haven't done this in a while. That seems right. And I'm gonna keep bringing these red ones with me because I'm gonna need them in a very short while. Ooh, this is somehow very impressive. So much yarn. This is going so well. We can see the heart. Yay, it worked. I'm so good at this. Perfect. Okay. I think if I'm not mistaken, I'm done with my red. I can pull this through and I have a little heart. Yay, so cute. Anyway, okay, and now I can bring this with me all the way around and it's gonna be weaved in naturally that way. Okay, 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 okay. Perfect. This has gone so well. I love making this square. It's very nice, very easy. It's working up really fast. I'm at the last row And I feel like I could make like a dozen more and not get tired of this square, so just saying. Perfect. Ooh, that's so great. It worked out so fast. I'm done. Look at that. Just imagine like a whole cardigan with only this. That would be so cute. Or just the pockets if you don't want to do like a bunch of granny squares and you get tired of them really easily. This is absolutely adorable. I recommend making this square. I'm excited to make the next one. I hope I'm going to be as enthusiastic about it as I am about this one. And I love the colors together too. They're so vibrant, you know? Something about this acrylic and this cotton acrylic mix, they're just great together. They're like the perfect tension for each other. It's just working together great. This is great. Today is a great day. Yay. Yeah, let's start the next one. Yeah, why not? I can do whatever I want to, and I want to start the next one. Maybe I should go eat first. No, let's do this. I can do it. So, for the next one, I don't know how to start because it's not a magic circle. Wait, I'm confused. I don't get it. This is gonna be harder than I thought. I don't get it. Oh, I think I'm doing this right here. Yeah. Oh, okay, that makes a lot of sense. I think I'm at 12 and I want to get to 15. Sometimes I think I need a piece of paper and a pen just to like write down, like mark off like, oh, I did a row, I did a row, I did a row, or one of those like row or stitch counters. I actually have one. I should use that. It's in here. It's like, it's literally right here. My good ideas always come after the fact. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then the chain 6 would be 15. Haha, perfect. This would be this, like that. Turn your strip 90 degrees clockwise at the end of row 15. And my guess is that I repeat on the other side. I'll do the other side of that X shape thing and I'll be right back. I have an X shape. I will say this leaves a lot of ends to be weaved in, so I'm not super excited about those. But other than that, this is fun, this is cute. Now, I take these, I can put this away. I want this no, yes, no, yes, wait, what? What do I want to do? Oh shoot, this isn't working. Okay, I think I'll start over. I think it's landing correctly. The tension this time around is a little wonky. Hopefully once it's filled out, it'll work. I'm not sure. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed a bite to eat because I was starving. This was a little more complicated than I thought. And now my tension is all wonky. I think I'm gonna trust the process and believe that once I finished all those other edges, it'll work somehow. I don't know, I'm just gonna go for it. It's fine, everything's fine. In theory, the worst part is over. It should be a breeze. The rest of it, I mean. I thought the pink little strands would be a pain to weave in because there were so many of them, but actually they were naturally weaved in when doing the past row, so that was nice.
Ever since the day that you went away.
I think I've made a mistake already. I was supposed to have 2 half double crochets back here and I only have 1. Okay, wait. I want to do this correctly, not start over 10,000 times. How does that look? That looks like a nice neat corner. This one not so much. Okay, let's keep going. Trusting the process. It'll all work out. Okay, I think this will work. See? Trusting the process is working out. That's just great. Yay! I think it's one of those projects though that I wouldn't have been able to take 2 random yarns because the tension would have been really crazy and I wouldn't have known if it was a tension problem, a yarn problem, a me problem, a pattern problem. So it's great that I tested this yarn with the pink in my first square. So I know that these work together. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with myself. I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, so this is laying much flatter. I mean, it's still pretty wobbly. Not wobbly, but like this. Wavy. Yeah, it's still pretty wavy, but I'm gonna finish that last row, and I think once it's blocked, it'll be perfect. I think my initial feeling about this square was that there was nothing special about it, but turns out this row that was around the X was pretty special, and I learned a lot, so I'm pretty happy with it. And if once blocked this works out, I'm gonna be super happy with this square. I'm gonna like it much more than I initially thought I would. I kind of threw those 2 squares, those 2 granny squares together, thinking, they should work up fast. Well, I was kind of sort of wrong. I mean, they did work up fast, but they're not that boring. I'm pretty happy with them. Okay, so here we have it for square number 25? 25, yeah. So cute. I really like it. It turned out a lot cuter and a lot more enjoyable to make than I thought it would be. So I'm very happy about this. I will be making this again. I have so many ideas of how I can incorporate this into projects. So very, very happy about this. And it worked up so quickly. I know I just said that, but I'm going to repeat that because it's so cute for so little effort. It's perfect. I'm very happy with this. For this one, that's still a little wonky looking, but if I just put it on top of the other one, ta-da! See? It works. It's not wonky. It just needs to be blocked. I'm really happy about this too. Maybe I made a mistake in that more complicated round. I'm still unsure. Like this right here seems to be like a little more holy than it's supposed to be. I think overall the square is a success, so who's to say if I made a mistake? I really enjoyed making this as well. I liked the challenge that that more complicated round offered, and I like the final result because it's a nice full square. Something I will mention about this square though, don't make this before testing the tension of the yarns you're going to use together, especially if they're not the same brand and not the same weight and size, stuff like that, just because you might get discouraged by how wonky it looks before the final blocking of the square. That's all I'm gonna say. But this, overall, very pleased with the final result. And very pleased with this one. Oops, upside down. But yeah, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!